Kynhun ki nonghikai hapoh ka shatri jong ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya Fastom iakynduh lang bat ki nongpathai khubor ha sngi Balang ka taiew ban pyntip paidbah shaphang ka jingthmu jong ka kynhun ban pyrshah ka jingsngap mynthi ka sorkar halor ki jingdawa ki nonghikai Haba kren ki nongpathai khubor Spokesperson ni nongai jingkren na ka liang ka Fastom samla Mayborn Lyngdoh ula pyntip paidbah ba ka kynhun ki nonghikai kalarai ba nadu ka khat ar shiteng no phai sngi jong ka khat ar tarik ujemang ar hajar ar puar kan penlong ya ka jing yakhi ka ba klembo por da ka balet ban shong hakmat ka sekretariat bat haki surok ki ba marjan jong ka kum kadak ban pyrshah ya ka jingle shiliang khmat bat jingbom ngap ka sorkar ya ki jingdawa ki balakat tu kat nisnem ki jong ki nonghikai school ad hoc ka jila.
And this rally, we will stay there outside of the secretariat if the government allow us. And we will stay there, we will sleep there, we will eat there until the government is compelled to respond to us. We have asked for a dialogue with the Chief Minister. If the Chief Minister is not clear about all these things, why do we want to have a meeting with the Chief Minister so bad? The reason is because we want to make these things clear to him, that this is the amount of money that you have in the treasury. This is the amount of money that you have in the finance department. And why is this amount not coming to us? So we are just teachers. We have all of these statistics. Now you can ask me, from where did I get these statistics? I will state here that no, I'm not involved with any political party. And if there is any politician who can give me these statistics, then it means that our state Meghalaya will not be in such a dire state as we are right now. If a politician is that good, where he will have all these statistics and he will come and he will feed to me and he will say, give it to the press, it means that the state of Meghalaya will not need to be in such a dire state right now. There are so many rumors doing the rounds. I am not affiliated with any politician in this department. Both of the departments are being held by the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, that is Mr. Conrad K. Sangma. So when we try to fix an appointment with him, we call the personal assistant of the CMO's office, and we were being given a mail where we are to send the appointment. So when we send the appointment to that mail, we got no response. So we waited for 1-2 days, we still got no response, so we followed it back. We called the CMO office again, and then we are being told that they are looking for an appropriate day where they will process our appointment. So we waited, we called again and again, every single time. Then we also sent a reminder of the email that we have already sent him on the 1st. Even after the reminder, we got no response. Therefore, on Monday, that is, we went in front of the secretariat to seek an appointment with the Chief Minister. But we are again being denied appointment. So yesterday, I received a call from the CMO's office again, and we are being told that they are looking for an appropriate date for the CM to meet us. So I told them that we have tried to contact the Chief Minister and we have tried to fix an appointment since May 1st, but nothing has materialized. As you can see, we can see the Chief Minister is everywhere, and that is something that I have mentioned since the 21st of March at Malki Ground, where we said that we see the Chief Minister everywhere, but we do not see him with us. So I am stating that again and again, we want to meet the Chief Minister face to face. And yesterday, after the cabinet meeting, we were being told through the news where the Chief Minister had said that the amount that we are asking, it's going to be in hundreds of crores. So it's not a matter of 1 or 2 crores. So it is difficult for the government to come up to be able to come up with a solution at the earliest. Therefore, today we have decided that tomorrow we will again launch another rally. But before we launch the rally, we want to state some facts. about how much money does the government have, how much money are we asking. So first, the deficit system. Our estimate was 250 crores. Now the demand that we are asking is only 18,000 of enhancement and 5% of increment. Now if we take a look at this 18,000 that is supposed to go to the estimate number of teachers, we will now need only 152 crores per annum. That is 12.74 crores per month. So 152 crores, we came down from 250 crores to 152 crores. So from where will the government of Meghalaya get a bargain such as that? Where we have tried to reduce the amount that is to be allocated to us by 100 crores. Assistance ODA loan of 10,397 million Japanese yen, which is approximately 660 crores to the government of Meghalaya. Then if we also move forward in 2020, 169.9 million in the project of Meghalaya Liang, the projects that aim to empower all 1,350 villages with skills and knowledge for sustainable natural resources, management, planning and implementation is being passed. So with regards to these statistics that I'm giving you, these are just a few statistics. I cannot give you all the statistics. We can clearly see that the budget is allocated very efficiently to the transport, to the development activities of skills and all. So if we also move to the how much budget is allocated to the state of Meghalaya, if we move from 2018 to 2019, 2019 to 2020, 2020, 21, the budget that was allocated, it started with 15,000 crores, then it went forward. Right now, it is at 17,000 crores, which means right from these years, there is an extra of 2,000 crores that the government of Meghalaya has gained in terms of budget. Now let's come to the total revenue receipts. With the hundreds and hundreds, it's just 152 crore. Out of this 152 crore, the amount that is supposed to come just from the cess tax alone is 48 crore. So 48 crore is already coming from the cess tax. Then the education, the budget that is supposed to go to education, that is a different thing altogether. Then how is the government of Meghalaya still saying that it does not have budget? Another thing, if the government of Meghalaya is having so much of money for infrastructure, we also saw that the Chief Minister of Meghalaya has also said that it will need a lot of money because it needs to construct schools, it needs to develop the buildings and so on and so forth. If it has money for all that, why not for the teachers? What are you going to do with the buildings where there are no teachers? What are you going to do with all those buildings where the teachers are not being treated justly? Therefore, I and the other teachers had expected actually the press to ask or to put forward these questions to the Chief Minister, but till now we have not seen anyone putting up those questions, or maybe the Chief Minister did not answer, so we do not really know. So right now I'm going to put some questions forward where the press can ask the Chief Minister. Question number 1. Why was the 5,242.30 crores returned to the central government when the state government is having less amount of money in its pocket or in its treasury? The second question, how much budget is allocated to the tourism department and the sports and youth affairs by the state? As you can see that in the state of Meghalaya, there are a lot of festivals going on every single now and then. And these festivals are in crores, as you know. So, as we all know that there is a budget that is allocated to each and every single department. We have nothing against these festivals, but we just need to know how much money is going to these departments. Then the third question is whether the budget that is allocated to these departments are matching with the funds that they are spending. So whether the budget and the fund, it's tallying or not. That is something that we also want to know. Then the government of Meghalaya has a number of projects that have come in the form of funds and sponsorship. Some of them are: in October 2018, the government of Meghalaya, the government of India, the government of Meghalaya, and the World Bank has signed a $120 million project to improve and to modernize the transport sector in Meghalaya. So this is being done by the MITP, the Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project, which will improve about 300 kilometers of strategic road. That is number one. The second one is in 2018 again, a 40-kilometer National Highway 51 project between Tura and Mizoram has been put forward, and the estimate of this project, the amount of money that comes for this project is 4,000 crore. That is to be shared between Meghalaya and Assam. How much money is to be shared between the two states is unknown. Then in 2019, 15 lakhs of trees were to be planted on One Citizen, One Tree campaign, and this is being funded by NABARD and the National Adaptation Fund for Climate Change as part of the initiative to the project Vulnerable Springs and Rejuvenate Their Catchment or Recharge Areas course.